What is ZFT? No, the right question is, who is ZFT? What is ZFT? No, the right question is, who is ZFT? We are a new generation of wealth builders. What is ZFT? No, the right question is, who is ZFT? We are a new generation of wealth builders, a community of dreamers who broke the cycle.
Hello guys. Hindi ko alam kung bakit biglang nagka-problema yung aking... Anyway, technical issues. How are you? Welcome everyone. Good evening. Kumusta kayo? Teka, I'm just gonna load something. Sobrang caught off guard ako dito. Hold on. Bakasyon kasi ako guys. So, medyo unstable yung aking wifi. Hopefully, okay to. At, sorry. Saglit lang guys ha. Rinig ba ako? Is it clear? Ayan, okay, sige. Anyway. My Wi-Fi hopefully is going to last. But anyways, guys, how are you? Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam kung ano itong show na to, well, this is our Monday market updates. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Z-Freaks. I've been trading and investing in the financial markets for over a decade. PSE, US markets, CFDs, crypto, and NFTs. Been there, done that, and still here, guys. Still here. Kahit na bear market at bull market, nandito tayo, guys. Hindi tayo tumitigil. That is what you need to succeed. Even if you don't like it, you gotta always just keep on going. Sorry guys, marami akong nainom na chocolate. Medyo hyper ako today. Medyo hyper na pagod na ewan. But sino yung mga masaya ngayon dahil sobrang ganda ng ating markets at the moment. Bitcoin at 65k, mukhang malapit na tayo mag-break ng ating ETH. Ilang thousands na lang at 69k na tayo. And then after that breakout, it's gonna be amazing. So, shout out to you all who have been regularly watching our show. Meron ba dito? Sino ba yung mga nauna? Ayan, si John Ventura, shout out and good evening to you. Check to Leonardo. Oliver, yes, masaya yung mga nakabodega at nakisabay nung ating bear market, sobrang solid ng ating pamomodega. Guys, clear ba yung aking audio? Hopefully okay naman. Good eve to Karel. Yes, Paldo on well. Okay, loud and clear. Thank you so much for letting me know, Hiroshi. Okay, saglit lang guys. Atin natin maayos. Okay. Let's put some background music so it's like not dull at all. Alright guys, so it's gonna be an exciting MMU tonight because we're gonna be discussing the usual. But syempre meron kasamang hype dahil ang daming hype ngayon. Ngayong gabi, ngayong araw na to dahil sa mga breakouts sa mga nangyayari. It's gonna be an amazing MMU hopefully because tonight, mamimigay tayo ng mga TR subscriptions. So ano ba tong TR subscription na to? Ano makukuha nyo dito? So for those of you who don't know, Trading Republic is our aftercare service. So if you've availed of our courses before, let's say Blueprint, Technical Intensive, Masterclass, or previous DFTs, this is kind of like our care community or aftercare service wherein kasi hindi naman na ma-master ng, halimbawa, kakasimula mo pa lang sa market and then you're trying to learn, right? Hindi mo naman makukuha yung mastery in just 6 months or even 3 months of training. You have to you need to have that community that will help you in your journey. You can do it as a lone wolf. I've tried that, but trust me, it's better if meron ka talagang kasama. And you know, it's really easier if you have people who can push you, who have the same mindset as you in going into this craft. Because I tell you, trading, it's not easy, but if it's with the right people, then mas mabilis at mas tolerable yung markets, especially pag sobrang bagsak. And right now, sobrang ayos ng markets, no? Dali ng kumita ng pera. And that's a good thing. So anyway, with the mechanics are already here. It's in the banner. Basically, you get a chance to win a Trading Republic Gold subscription. So mechanics are simple. Share the MMU stream. That's number one. Make sure that the shared post is public, kasi kung hindi public, hindi namin makikita. Especially kung hindi naman kayo friends nung admin na tumitingin nung mga shares. Number three is tag the official ZFT Facebook account. Make sure it's the official ZFT account. Pagka tinag ninyo yung scam accounts, then unfortunately, madi-disqualify kayo. So around mga 70k yung mga followers, makikita nyo naman kung legit o hindi. And then the top sharer, meaning, for example, you're the type of person that you share it to, let's say, groups or kung asan man, you get 3 months TR subs. So that is worth 6k pesos. So yun, nag-share ka lang, meron ka ng TR subs na worth 3 months. So 4 sharers will get 1 month TR subs each. Hindi ko alam kung yung magiging mechanics nito, but basically ka qualify for the mahit mo yung apat na yun. You need to again share the MMU stream. Make sure that the share is public. Tag the official ZFT account in Facebook. And ayun, hindi ko alam, baka mamaya you need to have reactions or kailangan mag-comment ang mga tao doon. So, you know, it's also a way for us to get the word across. Especially ngayon, I'd like to explain, gusto ko sana siyang explain in a post, but before kasi, or a year ago, I was giving the green signal, guys, get into investing, learn about trading, learn about crypto, because hindi talaga prices are not gonna stay at these levels anymore. And so that's the green light. I'm telling and I'm explaining people, hey, it's okay. DCA lang, that's gonna be your key. Now, this season, na bull market na, I'm gonna give the yellow light. Now, when I say yellow light, this is more of proceed with caution. Kasi, for example, ngayon, sobrang lakas ng hype. Hype is in the air. Greed is improving. Baka mamaya kasi you get sucked in with all the things that you read online, or baka mamaya ma-hype kayo sa mga posts ng mga tao. So, you gotta be careful and protect yourself, especially your psyche when it comes to these things. Kasi you can easily get sucked in crypto. So many opportunities out there, how to make money. I'm not in all of those opportunities, but I'm in the opportunities that I know. And so, proceed with caution kasi marami ding mga scams, or dapat high alert kayo dito. The end niyan, siguro pagka pa-bear na tayo or may mga signs na ng bear market is on the peak euphoria. So, I'm gonna give the red signal when the time comes. So, madalas naman ako nagbibigay, guys, nag-heads up. I post regularly. So, from green to yellow tayo. Medyo matagal-tagal tong yellow signal na to. But basically, I'm just gonna constantly remind you to stick to the plan, stick to getting into things that you know, and then make sure na i-temper nyo yung greed ninyo. Alright? Pag nag-red tayo, dyan na yung mga halos lahat nag-hype, ang daming mga influencers talking about crypto and all that stuff. And even if, let's say, your, yung mga mga OFW, titos, uncle, aunties asking you about crypto, usually that's your top signal. And I think ang isa pang most basic, yung alam mong ito na talaga yung top signal, is if naging trending si Coinbase na app sa App Store, then alam mo na okay, sige, top signal na to, time to exit na. Sell and then walk away. So anyways, guys, simulan na natin. Marami pa tayong mga announcements later. Baka makakalimutan ko. But anyways, I'm gonna be announcing it in the middle of our show. So ayun lang, let's just go for context. Alright, yes, we are so back, Gemar. We are so back. Vibes are back. Let's go, Anton! Yan. Gusto yung mga tao na na laging supportive. Yung mga nasa TR na mga project managers natin. Yan, si Chanel Power. Alright. So, guys, pagka meron tayong mga requests later, in the later portion of the show, kung anong mga requests ninyo, let's try to cover that as well. Okay? And then, make sure na nasa tamang, nasa tamang, how do I say this? Timestamp or basta nasa timing. Nasa tamang timing. Hindi ko alam kung sinabi ko yun ng tama. But yeah. Anyway, I'm not gonna ramble too much. Let's start with our charting session. So dito tayo magsisimula, guys. We have to always remember that we need to look at Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is kind of like the index of crypto. Kung asan usually yung galaw ni Bitcoin, then dyan usually yung sumusunod yung mga iba't ibang tokens. And so, tatanggalin ko muna itong mga lines natin dito and then pakita ko muna yung mga basic lines natin. So, ito. So, hanapin naman natin. So, 31K. Ito. Okay. So, guys, for Bitcoin, we're already at 65K and sobrang lapit na natin sa ETH, which is around 68, 69 levels. And pag yan nabasag, then all-time high, ibig sabihin nun, everyone who invested into Bitcoin, wala nang lugi. Except for the people na kakabili pa lang. Now, I want to remind you that meron talagang levels of greed per season. Alright? So, ngayon, when you see this, nasa, 2 to 3, stage 2 to 3 of the market. So, ito yung pinakamatagal at saka pinaka-exciting part ng ating bull market. Kasi dito na nga lalabas yung mga tao na like makita mo daming gains left and right and then hindi pa dyan talaga nagtatapos. Matagal tong run na to. Hindi yan yung parang nagrally na tapos na pump and dump. Wala, hindi ganyan. This phase over here, ito yung denial. People are denying na hindi pa to bull market. Ano lang yan, parang mamamatay din yan. Balik tayo ng Bitcoin 10K. So, na-confirm yung bull market nung nag-break tayo dito sa 31K. Sinabi natin to, we have always been saying na yung 31K ay that pag nag-break yan, bull market na. So, dito officially nag-start yung bull market. This was last year of October. And then, since then, tayo ay nasa matinding uptrend. And the trend is I would say sobrang heating up. I would say short term medyo nag-overheat na rin to. We'll be able to see itong mga pagpag na moves like this one, and these moves are very necessary. We need corrections along the way. So hindi yan pwede na dire-diretso yung akyat. May mga times like if you look at yung mga moves on the previous run, you see here akyat and then pagpag. So yung pagpag na yan needed yan, and then ito yung mga buying points or buying areas natin or opportunities, especially if you're a swing trader or you miss the train and then naghanap kayo ng retracement. So yung mga ganitong klaseng movements, ito yung mga inaabangan natin. Alright? So as long as nag-hold yan, yung mga MEs na yan, then that's a good entry point, I would say. So at the moment, again, we're looking at the historical chart of Bitcoin. Breakout over here, kaka-breakout lang natin last week, very strong candle, and then, or I would say last month as well. Very important na titingnan nyo yung weekly at saka monthly as well na ng bawat token. So ngayon, if you look at the monthly chart of Bitcoin, that's what we call a God candle. Very strong candle wherein ang dami niyang kinakain na iba't ibang tokens from the previous historical niya na candles. So you can see here similar God candles like this one. Ito, God candle din to. So basically, during these times na merong mga ganitong klaseng rally, expect na meron talaga tayong continuation. And so for this month of March, expect na meron tayong malakas na upward na movement. So medyo kinakabahan lang ako dito though because hindi ko ideally maganda na may dip on the start of the month. So sobrang liit lang ng dip na nangyari eh. Ibig sabihin ganun siya kalakas. Hindi naman ibig sabihin nun na nababalikan yan or like we always wanna prepare for the worst case scenarios. Baka mamaya may pagpag na mangyari, hindi natin alam, right? So just be prepared for those scenarios, and para hindi kayo ma-caught off guard. Mahirap kasi yung parang expect ka na up only, tapos nagkaroon ng malaking pagpagan. Just make sure na talagang you're prepared for every scenario. So ayun, for the weekly candle, meron na rin tayong week over here. Monthly candle meron din, pero although hindi ganun ka kita. But this over here, I would say, is a very strong sign because breakout din yan. This is a body break on the daily, and then here you can see nagsimula yung araw natin ng malakas. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy yan and touch yung ating next target, which is around 68 to 69k. Now, I would like to remind you that yung mga ganitong movements ni Bitcoin, nagsispill over yan kasi people who are making money here in Bitcoin, nagka-cash out yan. And also, people who have been ipit from the last run, magka-cash out yan with the mindset na, hindi, gusto ko lang I just want to break even. So those kind of people, we're trying to liquidate them or absorb them. Ito, pag halos lahat din sila na-absorb na natin, then that's the time na talagang pwede tayong magsaya. So again, ideally, we want to see a consolidation or a breakout and then consolidation. Get people to exit, yung mga gustong exit, and then consolidate. People who want to be part of the next run will be able to accumulate and then takbo yan. Alright, so guys, very important again, we take a very long time discussing about these fundamentals or itong foundations because we want the people who are new to this show and people na medyo matagal na rin when it comes to trading and need a refresher to understand ano ba yung psychology nitong market, how these things work, because it's very important. And again, yung mga catalyst na lumalabas, these are to me, I don't know what you believe, but to me, catalysts like these in the news that you see, these are part of the needed kumbaga news so that people would buy into it kasi nobody's gonna be buying on a negative news, right? People will be buying pagka sobrang ganda ng news. So we anticipate these catalysts. These are all noise. Wala tayong pakialam dapat doon. Dapat poker face lang tayo. Kung ano yung tinitingnan natin, nakikita natin sa chart, what it says, doon tayo sumunod. Hindi tayo magbe-base sa emotions natin na feeling ko malayo pa to, ganyan. Hindi ganoon. Hindi tayo feeling, okay? We want to be trading based on what we see on the chart. And because price is king. Alright? People can lie to your face, but numbers, charts, they don't lie. Alright. So that's with Bitcoin. Trend is up. All MAs, short term at saka yung 100 MA, long term na MA natin is all up. All below prices, all below the prices, which means it's bullish. RSI is also at 83. I believe this is one of the medyo matagal na akong hindi nakapag-mention ng RSI, but I want to mention it to you guys na matagal na siya above 70. So kita nyo naglalaro siya. Here sa 70, may dip ng konting 60 and then it continues to go up in 60. So ang ibig sabihin lang nito guys is nasa tayo, euphoric stage of the market. So it can be pwedeng matagal tayo magstay dito sa euphoric area or euphoric range, and this is typical when it comes to bull markets. Alright, kabaliktaran na naman yan pagka bear market. Kita nyo ito, halimbawa bear market, kita nyo maraming times na bumabagsak siya sa RSI 70. Ayan, so yan yung mga ways to gauge malakas ba yung trend o hindi, nasang stage na ba tayo sa market. So hindi ko na-explain yan ng buo, baka mamaya ma-overwhelm kayo. So that's for Bitcoin. Tapos na tayo halos lahat when it comes to fundamentals of technicals. Let's go on with the other tokens na important. Alright, and then after we talk about the major tokens na kailangan hawak-hawak ninyo or kailangan meron kayo, just because it's a core token, then we proceed with yung second liners, and then from there we'll go to your requests. So this is for Bitcoin. The next one would be ETH. Okay, ETH tayo. For ETH naman, bull market here. So this is kind of like the 31k for Bitcoin. And then ito yung current niya na breakout. So ang next level natin is actually this area. We have already said na around 3560, 3600, ito yung next target ni Ethereum. And once that breaks out, yung next targets natin is ito na. 4.8 and also this one. 4.1. So around above 4,000 levels. So once we see this breakout over here, ito yung mga next natin na targets. 4,100 and 4,800 levels. At the moment, katulad lang din siya ni Bitcoin na parabolic yung move. Maganda yung mga ganitong klaseng moves because we want to see a steady ascent. Marami din tong halimbawa when people are kind of like sige mukhang mabagal na or bumabagal na si Bitcoin, yung next din is yung mga altcoins. So yung mga core tokens or altcoins, itong sina ETH and other tokens na i-mention natin. So for ETH, the next target 3560 again. Pag nag-break yan, 4,000 levels tayo, 4,150 and 4,800. If we're looking at supports, hopefully pagka bumagsak at nag-correct tayo, then sana bumalik yan ng 3,000 or itong mga levels na to, 3,100, 3,040. I don't expect na bumalik siya dito sa levels na to because of the current state of the market na euphoric and buy on dips yung mga tao. But in case lang, again, worst case scenario planning, pagka bumagsak dyan, dapat handa tayong sumalo. Alright, so the next one is BNB. BNB, very solid as well na price action. We are seeing very solid trend over here. Yung mga levels to watch natin, ito na yung mga new levels to watch. So, tatagalin ko na yung mga old levels to watch natin. Congrats sa mga nakibodega kasama ko dito sa levels na to. Ay, BNB is printing money. So good. Just stake it. Ang pinaka-recommend ko sa inyo guys, with your BNB, put it into your spot wallet in Binance and use the Binance Vault. Stake it there, leave it there, and then pagka natapos yung bull market, saka nyo na i-withdraw. Kasi solid tong BNB. It's the number 1 exchange around the world. So, just kung ano yung mga number 1, focus kayo doon. For the levels to watch naman, pagka nagkaroon tayo ng correction, this is the levels to watch. 369 level. So hopefully, mag-consolidate siya. I'm not hoping na bumagsak siya dito sa level na to, but hopefully mag-consolidate muna siya. And if this level breaks, so ito yung next natin na target Itong current price yan. But the next target is around 350 to 360. Pagka na-breakout itong 426 levels. So that's another core token that you need to have. So we have BTC, ETH, BNB, and then I think Link is another one. So again, these are fundamentally solid. If mahilig kayo sa mga fundamentally sound na mga tokens, ito yung mga tokens na to. Medyo mabagal, may kabagalan siya unlike yung mga ibang tokens, but you can sleep easy. Hindi yung mga shitcoins na hindi mo alam baka bukas zero na siya. So anyways, ayan, Link, kaka-breakout niya lang from its long consolidation. Actually, sobrang ganda nito because in the bear market, nag-sideways lang siya dito. And then, nung nag-breakout siya, ayan, tuloy-tuloy na guys. 100 MA is still intact. And then, we see here, after this consolidation, another breakout has happened. So, sideways at the moment. We hopefully can see this support. Ito na yung solid support natin, hopefully, And then, we're seeing another breakout and see baka mamaya kung ano nang kabutin nito. But we're seeing, itong levels na to for the next target, 28 and then 38. So, medyo malayo yung kay Link. The next one is Solana. So, this one again, alam niyo na to, favorite ko to. Been shilling this since, since pre-FTX. And nung bumagsak siya, sabi ko, bili lang kayo ng bili guys because there's something here. There's something that builders are building. And communities are communitying. Anyways, ayan guys, we have this consolidation that has happened and we have that breakout actually last week. And very solid yung ganitong klaseng candle. Weekly chart, if you look at it, that's a really strong weekly candle. If you look at the monthly chart as well, that is a strong monthly candle. And so what we can expect here is I personally would want this na mag-consolidate muna or mag-retest muna dito sa mga levels na to, which is around 119 to 120 levels. Pag hindi man siya umabot dyan, okay lang kasi sobrang solid ng move na yan. But, if it magtuloy-tuloy yan, pag nag-breakout dito sa level na to, I'm eyeing this level, 137, 138. pagka nag-breakout yan, add ulit ako and then hindi na muna ako mag-add. I'll wait for this to settle muna and then see how it goes. But the next target kasi sobrang lapit na eh. Ito na 142. So after that level, dito na tayo titingin sa 200 levels. So hindi 200, 204. Usually kasi inisip nyo, di ba, 65, counting whole numbers, pero hindi. Hanapin nyo kung asan yung pinakatuktok nun. Because ito usually sinasagasaan yung mga whole numbers na yan. Pero psychological resistance din yan eh. After that 204, then we're gonna be looking at 250, 242, yeah, 242 to 258. So medyo matagal pa. I would say baka this year pwede. With all that's been happening with Solana, it's fast. It's one of the best chains, I would say. Best community, best builders in the space. And so if you have Solana, really just hodl. Or kung yung makita kayong mga NFT na okay to flip. Ngayon, hindi pa kasi masyadong nagro-rotate yung mga funds into NFTs. But at some point, magro-rotate yan into NFTs. So position na rin kayo sa NFTs because nag-meme token season na eh. So yeah, just make sure lang na meron talaga kayong mga meron kayong solid na bags nitong Solana as well. The next one is Matic. Matic, ito medyo erratic na yung movement niya. Hindi ko masyadong nagustuhan to kasi it's a bull run already. All MAs are below. Hindi ko lang gusto yung ganitong klaseng movement. Hindi ko masyadong naiintindihan eh. Ideally kasi gusto natin yung smooth lang na moves. But ito kasi, bumabalik kasi siya dito eh. So parang, ewan ko, baka may catalyst, baka may insider buying, hindi ko alam. Pero I really like na resilient siya. And ayaw niyang magstay in a low level. Gusto niya talaga high, nakikisabay sa market eh. Pero ang pangit naman, basically. Anyways, we were able to get here kasi malalim yung kuha natin, itong levels na to. Ito at saka yung breakout nito. So loaded din tayo dito sa Matic. The next one is Uni. So Uni, hindi ko na siya ma-recommend at current levels. But actually if you're a trend follower, okay lang pumasok currently. Kasi breakout yan, kaka-breakout lang dito. Ito. So this is a significant area of resistance. So itong dalawang to, na-break na. And as you can see, ever since this breakout here, this is the major resistance, itong dalawang to. Nung nag-break yan, isang kandila lang tapos sinagasaan niya na. And then tinouch niya yung dalawang resistance. So very brief lang yung naging touch or retest nitong support. Afterwards, ito tuloy-tuloy na. So we can see that there's demand. We can see that it's trending strongly. We can see all those MAs are below prices. So yeah, I haven't really checked kung ano yung mga possible catalysts nila, but what I do understand, if you are going to be staking Uni dun sa kanilang protocols, then baka mamaya may mga rewards for people who are staking this token Uni. Alright, I think ayun yung mga natin, yung mga core tokens. Ito pa pala, sorry. Jup is a core token. Ngayon pa lang I'm calling it. Jup is basically the Binance of Solana. That's, hindi ko alam kung may iba pang tao na nag-coin yan, but to me, it's really the Binance of Solana. People use Jupiter to exchange or swap their tokens. It's a DEX or a liquidity aggregator. So halimbawa, magsaswap ka ng Bitcoin to Ethereum or Ethereum to Bitcoin. They get liquidity from all these DEXs or liquidity providers, get the best price so that hindi kayo, like if sobrang laki ng pera ninyo, right? And then you swap, let's say for example, 5 million worth, 10 million worth, then at least hindi ganun kalaki yung price impact. So this DEX aggregator helps with that. So for Jup, just hodl lang, kaka-breakout lang natin sa short term natin na resistance. So ito, laging nauuntog yung price dito and then finally ito na nagkaroon na tayo ng breakout. And I believe it's gonna be this week magiging live yung ating governance wherein you stake yung Jup and then you'll be able to vote kung ano yung mga projects na magla-launch sa kanilang launchpad. So for sure, people who vote, people who have a lot of Jup stake will get allocations to the launchpad, the tokens that launch with their platform. So abangan nyo yan kasi guys, basically you're using your crypto to make you more crypto. So money making more money. Okay, so I think we're done with the core tokens. Now, I'm gonna be covering the notable tokens that you should be putting into your watch list na hindi pa gaanong lumilipad. Yung iba lumipad na, but we'll get into that, especially yung mga shitcoins kasi alam ko marami sa inyo mahilig sa memes. The first one is ARB or Arbitrum. So Arbitrum, let's just go to the basics technicals na lang para mabilis tayo. Alright, we'll try to finish by 11. Hopefully matapos agad tayo. For Arbitrum, ito yung ating next level. To me, habang hindi pa siya nagbe-break dito or hindi pa nagte-trade above this range, this is already a buy on dips. Itong si Arbitrum. Alright? Levels to watch when it comes to support is 1.73 or actually gusto mong sagarin yung anong tawag nito? Worst case scenario, then 1.63. Alright? Pag nabasag yan, mag-alala na tayo na hawak-hawak pa natin siya or sell na natin at a loss. So ayan guys, we want this to break or accumulate before this breaks. So that's for our... The next one is Render. So Render is already in actually an all-time high territory. And then we see very strong trend over here. As long as this level holds, or actually kung sagarin natin yan, dito yan pwede. Teka, yan. Wait lang. Yan. Dito tayo. So as long as these two level holds, then goods tayo. Pero yeah, as long as hindi pa to nag-breakout, kasi baka mamaya bilhin nyo na naman pagka nag-break na to, di ba? Sobrang clear na yung trend eh. So, you know, tokens like this, yung mga sobrang lakas, especially when it comes to the bull market. Nung nag-bull market, nagtitrend siya, nung bear market, tapos nagtitrend siya, that is what you call an outlier. And Render is one of those outliers na nakita natin. Although, relatively mabagal siya, but this is already, I would say, a very steady token, very steady project. Ang ganda ng move niya. And we want to have those tokens, no? We want to be owning tokens na swabe yung galaw. Next is INJ. So INJ, actually kaka-breakout niya lang. Kailan ba? This was the start of the month. And then, ayan, nagkaroon tayo ng correction. So this is, for me, a buy on dips. Yung worst case scenario natin is itong 34.26. Actually, plinat ko na siya. Pagka nag-trade siya below this, then not good already. But to me, as long as hindi ito mabasag, itong 34.26, this is already a buy and dip. Kasi mahaba yung consolidation na to, guys. Sideways siya during the time na nagte-trending yung mga tokens, yung mga major tokens. Pero that's also because nanggaling siya sa sobrang mababa na price. Alright, $2, di ba? And then afterwards, breakout, consolidate, and then breakout, trend, consolidate, breakout na naman ang sobrang lakas, and then ito, consolidate na naman siya. Next base. To me, yung mga ganitong klaseng outliers, notable talaga to watch and to be in your portfolio. Pero make sure lang din talaga na mag-ingat kayo kasi mataas na yung inabot na price niya. Right? Mataas na yung inabot niyang price. So, there's already that mas higher na risk. Alright? And you don't want to get caught pagka nagkabuhusan na. Kasi marami yan eh. Maraming mga tao na probably will be selling you their tokens. And then we have Say. Okay, Say. This one, it's another token na all-time high area. So, nagre-retest siya at the moment. We're looking at this. Ito yung mga supports natin. 0.77. Hopefully, it holds itong levels na to. This is around 75 and itong 77 levels. I'm actually biased here. Kanina bumili ako additional na mga tokens ko for Say. Just because I'm trying to explore this ecosystem with some of the people in our community in TR. But basically, if you want na sigurista ka, gusto mong pumasok pagka, let's say, may momentum na, then just buy pagka nag-trade na siya above 0.89. So that's your levels to watch, 0.89. Pagka nag-break yan, tuloy-tuloy na yan na above 1. So pretty new, what do you call this? Chain to be watching. And then AVAX, paano ba sabihin yan? Worst case scenario, dito tayo sa 35. Best case scenario is if it breaks these levels. So, close above and trades 44 to 47. Next target niyan, I think mga 60s. Ay, hindi. Actually, dito pala. Iba pala yung 60 and 68. So, 68 yung next target natin for this one. That's our previous resistance and support levels. So, 67, 68, yan yung next target pag nag-break tong, or pag nag-break at nag-trade above this area. Alright. Another one is Cake. So, Cake, hindi pa siya actually nagba-break out. So, yeah, for people who are aggressive, itong 3.58, that's a level to watch. And then, syempre, pagka medyo conservative kayo, dito na yan. Pagka nag-break yan 3.19 or 4, then medyo malayo-layo yung ating target. Pwede tayong mangarap ng 9 and then 5. 5 and then 9 afterwards. Next is Aptos. So Aptos, this one, I suggest mamakyaw na kayo habang maaga pa. This is if pumasok yung price within this range. So ilagay lang natin dito. So ito yung buying area natin. Kung kaya pa ha. This one kasi momentum between this range 11.59 to 12.3, this is actually a momentum buy range. So as much as possible you want to be buying within this range over here, kasi ito na yung sideways na move niya, been sideways for some time, and then ito finally nagkaroon tayo ng breakout with volume. So we're seeing people na gustong umexit na, and then afterwards ito na kasing target niya ni, teka wait lang, ayan, itong dalawa. And so 15 to 18. Tapos pretty good. Hopefully ilagay ng mga exchange, yung mga local exchanges natin si Aptos para solid tayo. Okay, I think na-cover ko naman halos lahat. Okay. And then pasok tayo sa shitcoins. Shitcoins tayo next, but I'm just gonna look in your at your comments. Baka may mga comments kayo guys. Pahinga lang din ako saglit. Okay. Wait. I have to add DOT. Bakit nawala siya sa list ko? DOT is actually a core token. DOT along with Kusama. Pero kahit si DOT pwede na eh. Break na siya at the moment and then 19.5. Ito yung target for DOT. If you've been holding DOT, just hodl it. Sayang if ibenta nyo at this time eh. Teka, I'm just gonna add DOT to my list. Bakit nga ba nawala siya sa list ko? Ilang MMU ko na siya, siguro dahil naka-hodl lang ako sa Maya, kaya okay lang ako sa kanya. Anyways. Okay pa kayo guys? You still okay? Okay, sige. Sorry guys, kasi medyo medyo mabagal yung internet natin. Nasa probinsya ako at the moment, naka vacation, enjoying our crypto game. Okay. Sige. I'm just gonna check out your comments, guys. Right. Checking. Okay. May isa tayong tanong dito na interesting. What are your thoughts on ICO airdrop farming kind of investment? Adrian, ako ang masasuggest ko pagka may ganitong klaseng investment, pumasok kayo kung kaya nyo, because this is really, I mean, ICOs and also farming, you never know kasi if lahat ng but there's a technique to this. You need to first make sure na maayos yung team, nagbe-build sila. Number 2 is kung meron bang nag-invest sa kanila, or are they able to raise capital from VCs. So ito yung mga kailangan mong tanungin. Pag okay naman, then goods ka. Okay. 100% facts on the top criteria. How can I tag ZFT page? It does not show in tagging. Yeah. So ito guys, yung tama. Try to tag Pinoy Traders ZFT. Ito yung page natin at the moment eh. Okay. Hold on lang Sorry guys, kasi sobrang bagal din talaga ng internet ko, kaya medyo Ayan, okay na. Checking comments lang. Okay. So, na-cover na natin si Jupe. Generational wealth. Later yan. Okay. ICP, INJ. Si INJ na-cover na natin, Randolph. Sige, try natin si ICP. Si ICP, alam ko, isa din to sa mga runners recently. Pero nasa sideways pa siya. Hindi pa siya nagbe-break from our resistance. Ito yung from our previous show. Ito pa rin yung resistance at support niya eh. So, pag nag-break yung 14.59, saka mo siya silipin. At the moment kasi, wala eh. But after that break, then you can expect 23. 14 to 23. Gandang upside din yan. Okay. Okay. So, check natin. May mga tanong ba kayo? May tanong dito. Hello, ask ko lang if nakasunod lahat ng coins kay BTC, bakit nung run niya nung 50 to 64k, sideways lang run ng altcoins. Pero nung bumagsak siya from 64 to 60k, ang laki ng impact sa outs. Ganyan kasi usually, John. Meron tayong tinatawag na rotation, or merong rotation talaga when it comes to crypto. So, usually the core tokens go first, Bitcoin, Ethereum, at yung altcoins na to. And then, after that run, nagsispill over kasi, or halimbawa, nakikisabay na itong mga alts or yung mga shitcoins at kung anong mga delta coins, kung anong meron dyan. But usually talaga mauna si Bitcoin. After that, all these other tokens susunod. Pwede din makisabay, but depende sa strength ng token. Kasi minsan, what people do, pag nakita nila umakat si Bitcoin, nagfo-FOMO-in sila doon. And then, binibenta nila yung mga alts nila. But it's not always the case ha. Kasi may mga solid talagang projects na kahit na maganda yung takbo ni Bitcoin, hindi nila gustong ibenta yun. Like for example, Solana. Bakit ko ibebenta si Solana eh? Gusto ko rin si Solana, gusto ko rin si kay Bitcoin. So may mga tinatawag na decoupling. Ganyan. Avax, we've already covered this. Boss Jupe. Po, di pa tapos bodega ko. Tapusin mo na yan. Malapit na. This week na yung alam ko this week na yan eh. John, nag-KYC din pala ako sa Discord pero nakailang araw na hindi pa rin ma-access yung free for Explorer. John, most likely meron kang hindi ginawa na tama. So, meron tayong video doon sa ating gift book. Check mo yun. Nakalagay din talaga sobrang step by step na yun. Like, if meron kang na-miss, malamang yun yung dahilan kung bakit hindi ka nakapasok as Explorer. And it's also our way to filter bots, scammers. So, pasensya na kasi hassle talaga yung natin, yung way natin at the moment. We want to protect people, especially in this space, madalas yung scams eh. If you get into our Discord, mapapansin ninyo na meron kaagad magme-message sa inyo na poser. It's either me or other of the admins. And then, kumustahin kayo, kumusta how's your trading, stuff like that. That is not us. We are not gonna DM you first, alright? And pag nililid kayo, let's say Telegram or iba't ibang platforms, malamang scam na yun. Ayun. So according to our back-end support. Okay si John, okay? Wala kang photo. So wala kang photo. Kaya hindi ka makapasok sa ating Discord. Hindi ka nag-submit ng clear photo. That's a requirement in our community. Okay. Hi sir, pa-chart and thoughts naman kay Decreed. Later, okay, mukhang you'll have to request this later. Talk to trading mga team, kulang down. Ayan. Okay, DCR. Ano yung DCR? Decreed. Okay, sige. Later guys, yung mga request niyo kasi pag nag-request kayo ngayon, hindi ko papansinin to eh. Doon tayo sa tamang oras ng pag-request, then just go ahead, go for it. Boss, ano yung criteria na kino-consider mo sniping a coin for long-term hodl? Very basic. Team. Next is tokenomics, kung maayos pa. Sorry, team, and then if maayos yung product nila. Kung shit product, then I'm not gonna get into it. Unless shitcoin, then pwede nating lagyan ng something pero hindi din malaki. It's the more that I would use the chain or the product, the token, then the more that I would be heavy on it. Okay. Bonk. Yes, we'll be covering shitcoins in a while. When in GP, later yan. Okay, may mga tanong pa rin. Binance ka ba din ba, boss? Yes, Charvy, Binance is one of my two exchanges na I use. But it's more of a hodl. Most of my futures trading nasa iba't ibang exchange na or nasa iba't ibang platform like Sol Casino. That's my favorite. Okay, puro mga request na tong mga nandito eh. Okay, gently used customer funds. What? Merong gently used customer funds? Ang alam ko, merong gently used car. So, later, sabihin mo ulit ako. Pwede makinig ng opinion. Okay, mga request pa rin to later. This is a good question. Boss, kailan balak TP sa Maya? Pag nakita kong nag-breakdown na ng 100 MA, saka na ako magbebenta. But for now, hodl lang yan. Alam mo, actually, Ben, sobrang tindi nung kati ko na ibenta ko yung nasa Maya ko. Like, parang gusto ko siyang i-rotate or gawa ako ng bagong challenge. Pero hindi. Yung thesis ko kasi dyan is invest in the bear market and then pag nag-bull market, hawak lang. Ganun lang. Simple. And then pagka natapos yung bull market, then saka na magbebenta. Very basic pero sobrang hirap niyang gawin, especially nung nagsisimula pala yung breakout. Kasi umabot yun na, di ba, 200k yung ating yung capital, the starting natin. That was DCA. Nag-DCA tayo ng mga 50k per month. Actually, hindi. Mga 25 to 50k. Minsan pag okay yung market, then 25 to 50k yung range. Pag hindi naman okay, then 25k lang. And then hanggang sa mga Feb ata or mga March. Ganun. Yun yung last buy ko. Actually, yung last buy ko was recently, yung Ethereum at saka Bitcoin. Nagbenta ako ng konting Solana and then bumili ako ng nung iba't ibang tokens. Parang nag-additional ako. So yun, magkakaroon ako ng update yan on a separate note. Pero yes, mag-TTP tayo pag matatapos na yung bull market. So para makita talaga from start to finish ano yung naging process. And then, ayun, basically ganun lang. Yung mga mabibilis sa mga trades like futures trading and all that stuff, nasa ibang account na. Okay. Is Metaverse still in play? Joe, from my guess, this is my guess, hindi ko lang alam. All these sectors, including Metaverse, will be in play. So, hintayin nyo lang talaga yung rotation when it comes to that. Kasi NFTs, Metaverse, ano pa ba? Yung mga games, ganyan. These are products that will definitely have the rotation kasi it's really a product that people use. So, naghihintay lang tayo na magbuhos yung pera ton. Nakangiting matutulog dahil kay Wealth. Hindi ko pa nakikita si Wealth, naka-LP lang ako dyan. Ano exchange na ang gamit nyo? Okay pa ba tayo sa Binance? Lomi, I made a post regarding this. You can backread na lang regarding this. Pero gamit ko pa rin si Binance. 66k na si BTC. Okay, check natin ulit si BTC guys. Nag-get lang. Ito lang makikita. Okay, 65. Malapit na mag-66. Okay pa ba kayo guys? 289 watchers, viewers? What's my bias on BTC? I've already covered this. Backread na lang. Boss Z, ano po yung mindset sa pag-take ng profit na hindi siya ituturing na sahod? Medyo heavy tong question na to. Siguro, tanong mo siya sa TR na lang. Mas maganda kasi kung itanong mo siya. Medyo technical to eh. Okay. Nag-enjoy ba kayo guys? Alright. Ang dami niyo ng mga requests. Yes. Thanks for the time, boss. Kahit na currently on vacation ka, enjoy the games. Thank you so much, Julie. Okay. Ang daming mga nag-ask ng mga thoughts. Mamaya na guys, wala pa tayo sa time ng request. Boss, di ask lang how to start sa Play the Highs. Just bought Kiwi and in-stake ko lang siya for 90 days. Okay. Ako, later na yan. Shitcoin yan eh. Okay. Sige. Ang saya nyo guys, nakatutok talaga kayo sa Bitcoin eh, no? Okay, anong nagbago sa dating outs at 2 outs ngayon na 1923-100? This is a good question. make sure na makinig kayo dito sa sasabihin ko. So that is 2050-100. That is a setting that is very good when it comes to PSE. I noticed kasi na doon talaga nagre-react yung price sa 2050-100. When it comes to global markets, when it comes to crypto, 1923 for short term and then 100 MA. So it's kind of like more or less the same or similar. It's just that more para to sa mga trend followers kasi. So as a trend follower, 19 to 23 and then 100, which is yung aking indicator kung bull market pa tayo or bear market. So halos hindi siya nagbago. Hindi ko lang sinama yung medium term kasi gusto ko nakafocus lang ako sa dalawa, short term at saka long term. Walang medium term. May nagtanong, John Ventura, what is your take on SEC versus Binance in the Philippines? Will it really be banned here? I don't know if they have the power to ban it. Probably, but they need to have probable cause and give the evidence na Binance really made some violations. So kailangan i-prove ng regulators natin na may ginawa si Binance. But to me, this is just drama lang yan. Kung ako sa inyo, if yung pera ninyo nasa Binance and hindi kayo makatulog, then lipat nyo sa ibang exchange. Sobrang dali lang naman yan. Create lang kayo ng bagong account, it's less than 2 minutes and then your account is gonna be, or your funds are gonna be transferred into that new account. Hindi siya dapat matuto kayo guys when it comes to this because this is the future already. Hindi naman kayo hihingian ng kung ano papeles katulad ng sa mga banks yung mga TradFi banks. Ang dami-daming hinihingi ng papers here. Mag-transfer ka ng mga 10 million, 100 million, walang problema. Well, depende din sa level mo. Pagka decentralized exchange walang problema kahit billion pa yan. Pero kung mga centralized exchanges, Binance, Bybit, OKX, all these other exchanges, you need to pass certain KYC levels para makapag-transfer kayo ng certain level of or sell certain amounts. Part ng security, and it's also good for you actually. Okay. Are you familiar with Aether Cloud? What are your thoughts on it? I'm not sure if Aether Cloud or Aether Games. I'm not sure. Hindi ko alam to, so I'm not gonna answer this. I'm not gonna pretend to be an expert in everything. Kung hindi ko alam, hindi ko sasagutin. DXY and crypto negative correlation. I'm not really the specialist when it comes to this. Merong mga tao in TR. Actually, kanina, meron nang si Raf. Si Raf is our specialist when it comes to correlation of this one. And maybe he can answer you. So, I'm not really the person to ask for regarding this one. Sir, meron po ba kayong copy trading? Unfortunately, Luke, wala akong copy trading. Nasa DEX halos lahat ng funds ko. Okay, Boss Z, paano ka po nag-withdraw from Phantom or Binance, especially large amounts? Okay, so guys, last na question na to, and then afterwards, punta tayo sa shitcoins. Let's cover that. For withdrawing dito sa large amounts, if let's say Phantom to Phantom, walang problema, you don't need to go through any other third-party service. But my rule of thumb is transfer muna ako ng, let's say, $1 or less than $1 worth. After na-transfer ko or after na-confirm ko yung transfer, saka ko i-transfer yung buong amount. So, ganun lang ako. Best practice lang kasi security sake yan Alright? Pag Binance naman, I think the best way talaga is yung Binance Pay. Kung meron kayong suki, it's better na meron kayong suki talaga na crypto dealer. Tapos, diretso na lang na isend mo sa kanya. Tapos, he's gonna be depositing it into your account or accounts. Kung medyo malaki yung account, then better na i-divide mo siya sa iba't ibang channels. Kaya dapat marami kayong exit mechanisms, especially here in the Philippines. Kasi baka mamaya kung nag-withdraw kayo ng sobrang laki, pumasok sa account niyo, tatanungin kayo, ma-flag kayo, ma-freeze yung account niyo. You're gonna have a hard time. So make sure lang talaga na maayos yung gagawin ninyo when it comes to these things. Withdraw in small amounts. Hindi yung medyo suspicious, biglang halimbawa 10 million wala kang ganung klaseng deposits ever. Tatanungin talaga kayo ganyan. Unless, kilala na kayo ng bank na ito nagka-crypto to or like kaibigan nyo na yung manager, walang problema. Okay, so that's it. Let's cover shitcoins, guys. Shitcoin edition. Let's go. Let's go first with SHIB. So SHIB, ito na yung kanyang breakout. So, we've discussed in previous MMUs na ito yung mga levels to watch. Itong tatlo. So, nag-breakout na siya. Grabe kasi ang bilis eh, no? We did not expect na ganito. Ako, personally, I was expecting na breakout, tapos consolidate, breakout, consolidate. Pero hindi. Nagtuloy-tuloy siya. And so, pagka mga ganitong klaseng galawan, I suggest, i-hodl nyo na lang siya. Huwag nyo na siyang i-trade. Kasi baka mamaya pag i-trade nyo, ito na yung mangyayari. Right? Manghihinayan kayo na, ay bakit ko siya binenta? Pwede na kayo magbenta like half or what. And then, hawakan nyo na lang. Kasi yung mindset ko dito is, kaka-bull market lang eh. Kumbaga kakasimula lang ng bull market. Bakit ibebenta nyo yung mga shitcoins nyo? Especially kung core token siya. Alright? Sayang. Kasi pag umakyat yan ng sobra-sobra, tapos na iwan kayo, you know, kayo din yung magfo-FOMO sa top pa. Diba? Malala. So, for SHIB, the next target is around here. Yan. Yung 4 na yan. Lagay lang natin dito. 39 or 4. Here's the other one, 35, 39. So, yung mga levels na yan. Currently, nasa 27 tayo eh. So, medyo malayo yan at the current prices. Pero who knows, right? Shitcoins can just go to the moon if they want. Next is Doge. So, Dogecoin, similar na na scenario. We're looking at itong mga core breakouts or itong mga sideways niya, which is nag-break na rin siya from that levels. So, pag hawak nyo si Doge, hawak lang guys. Don't, I suggest hawakan nyo lang. Huwag nyo nang i-trade ito, lagay nyo sa baol. Hintayin nyo, halimbawa, at the end of the bull market kasi, itong mga shitcoins na to, itong mga known meme tokens, sila yung magiging leader. Okay, sila yung magiging leader ng euphoric. Na pagkatapos ng euphoria or euphoric stage, wala, tapos na, patayin yung market. Like ito, yung nangyari dito, di ba? Yung si Elon Musk. Not sure if umabot kayo dun sa last bull market, yung peak, na feature siya dun sa show na yun. So ito yung tuktok after that bagsak na. Exit liquidity na, di ba? So pagka nakita niyo na sobrang nag-mainstream na yung mga tokens na yan, alam niyo na exit na. Time to exit. Next is Bonk. Wow, guys, Bonk. Ang dami kong Bonk. Alright. For Bonk, ATH na siya. So when it comes to okay, saglit. Kasi ng tawa ko, no? When it comes to these things, pagka nag-break na itong mga meme coins na to, especially kung all-time high, just hodl, guys. Kasi baka mamaya magsisisi lang kayo na ibebenta ninyo. Benta nyo lang pagka, let's say, pagka nag-end na yung bull market, basically, that's it. Kung kaya nyo i-hodl, hodl nyo lang. Kung hindi nyo kaya na like gusto nyo magbenta ng konti, sige, benta kayo konti. Right? Pero wag niyo ibenta lahat. GG kayo kung ibenta niyo lahat yan eh. Kung nasa LPs kayo, if you're doing LPs like what I do, kasi market maker and providing liquidity, all these things, learn these things. Kasi nandyan yung pera. Guys, matagal na ako nagsasabi sa inyo, especially last year, sabi ko matuto kayo ng technicals, matuto kayo ng investing, matuto kayo ng DeFi. Pag natuto kayo ng DeFi, ito, for example, I'm talking to you guys, I'm making money. Sideways yan, up, down, kumikita ka ng pera. So, learn about DeFi. That is your keyword. Assignment niyan. Alright? The next one is ano pa ba? With. Dito na tayo sa Dito tayo sa teka, log out lang ako dito sa I'm gonna share my bird's eye. So, bird's eye, this is in Solana. And so, halos lahat ng mga meme tokens, let's cover it as well here. Guys, kung ako masuggest ko talaga if gusto niyo mag shitcoin, dito kayo sa Solana kasi mabilis talaga yung transactions. Tsaka it's lesser yung fees niyo as opposed to other chains like for example Ethereum, mag-swap kayo, mahal. Dito nagliliparan yung mga basura left and right eh. And so, let's go first for WIF. Medyo may kabagalan lang to eh kasi decentralized exchange na. Teka, bakit ayan? Dog with hat. So, si WIF, actually na-list na rin to kay Binance eh. But, mas complete kasi yung data natin here. Here in Bird's Eye kasi dito sila nanggagaling eh. So, for WIF, breakout yan. Sunod, tuloy-tuloy yung kanyang galaw. And so, right now, tingin ko hindi na siya maganda na like to me, if you want to be safe, just don't buy any meme tokens na lumilipad ngayon like WIF, Bonk, Doge, SHIB. As much as possible, wait for the correction before getting in into these meme tokens. Alright? Ito kasi yung mga main na meme tokens. Alright? Pagka main na meme token yan, sa simula, like after Bitcoin, ito sila yung mga lilipad. Afterwards, people will take profit dito sa mga meme tokens na to and ilalagay nila yan sa iba't ibang kumbaga beta or delta na mga meme tokens. Alright? Yung mga next in line. So ano ba yung mga next in line ng mga tokens na yan? Okay, let's cover it. When? So this is launched by Jupiter Exchange. Ito yung first na meme token nila. Sobrang laki ng community din dito. Meron silang When Army. And ito kaka-breakout lang. So people who got their free airdrop na nung nag-launch, umabot yun ng mga 5,000 pesos eh. Tapos nag-dip ng malaki. Afterwards, ito na all-time high na ulit. So don't be sad sa mga yan. Yung nag-dip. Ayan, kasi balik kayo. Tingnan nyo guys yung airdrop ninyo. Free tokens yan. Free tokens. Nag-test lang kayo. Meron na kayong free token. So, When is one of the solid ones. This is a cat token. It's not usually, usually it's dog really na panalo. Pero, When has been a solid token. And again, sobrang laki ng, I don't know what they plan to do with it. But, guys, when it comes to meme tokens, ito lang yung gusto kong ma-remember ninyo. I'm gonna make a post about this as well. But basically, when you have these meme tokens, throw fundamentals out of the window unless meron silang utility. Alright? Kasi pagka nilagyan nyo yan ng fundamentals, nilagyan nyo yan ng mga market cap, kung ano pa yan, like, anong ginagawa nyo? Naglalagay kayo ng fundamentals sa shitcoin. Ilagay nyo yan sa tama, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, pwede pa. Sa meme tokens, huwag nyo nang lagyan ng ganyan kasi sasakit na yung ulo ninyo. Alright? So that's for When. The next one is Gecko. So I'm gonna cover Gecko as well. Gecko, ito maganda to kasi nagdidip na eh. So Gecko, ito nagkaroon na siya ng run and then we're looking to me, pag malapit na yan dito sa range na to, bibili na ako eh. So ito yung niya, 99. Yeah. So malapit dito sa next na na zero. So, kaka-break niya lang. But these are going to be my buy levels for this one, for Gecko. The next one is Draco. And just randomly, this is not in order guys. To me, pagka nag-shitcoin ako, nilalagyan ko lahat. Hindi ako naglalagay na, let's say heavy dito kasi ganito ganyan. Hindi. Lahat yan halos pareho kung pwede. Ayan, ito, umakyat na ngayon. No? So, lahat yan meron. DCA lang din yung technique dito. But basically, hodl lang. Kasi, when it comes to meme coins, hindi mo alam kung baka mamaya 50x, 100x, or 200x. Minsan may mga times 1,000 yung return. So, lagyan nyo kahit $100. And then, nasa inyo kung PLP nyo. Ako kasi, in-LP ko eh. But, you can put it into a hodl account. Yung iba dyan, or most of that, mamamatay talaga. Guys, ganyan yung nature ng shitcoins. Just make sure na may maayos silang community at may maayos yung founders. Pag maayos yun, malaki yung chance na magsusurvive yung meme token ninyo. So, for example, ito, Draco. Ayan, lumipad na siya. And then people were like complaining about ganitong klaseng dip. Yung mga dips na yan, guys, very golden yan. Especially pagka, let's say, solid community and then may dip na ganito. Hintayin nyo lang, bahala na yung mga tao, mag-iyak sila. Yan yung magiging buy opportunity ninyo. Pag lumipad yan katulad nito, yan, exit na kayo. Pwede kayong mag-exit ng kalahati and then let the rest run. We have Bozo as well. So, these are all meme tokens in the Solana ecosystem. And so, some of these, hindi pa sila, ayan, ito, mukhang lumilipad na, ayan, So, baka mamaya mag-break dito sa levels na to. Pero ayan, kaka-break niya lang dito. So, that's a really good sign kasi mukhang sisimula pa lang. Dapat bumili pa ako ngayon. Siguro mamaya na lang after this show. Partida sa inyo na bibili ngayon pero good luck sa inyo. Baka ma-miss niyo yung ibang alpha. Next is Silly. So, itong si Silly, isa din to sa mga alpha meme tokens eh. Pero mukhang, ayan. Ito yung mga levels to watch. Silly, Chonky, at saka used car. Kanina may nagsabi merong gently used funds something. Ay, parang gusto ko yung tunog doon. Anyway, ito. Sige, si Chonky, meron na tayong resistance over here. Established na yan. Okay? So, this dip, most likely I'll be buying on this dip. Tapos, load up tayo. Used car. Isa pa. Mukhang binibigay ko na yung buong list ko, guys. But basically, naka-diversify tayo dito. Well-diversified ako sa mga tokens na to. And then most of them nakalagay sa Camino. And so here for used car, just really waiting for this. We have that resistance. Ayan, nagre-resist na yung price over here. But it looks like really accumulate to on dips talaga, I would say. Ano pa ba? Itong mga ibang to, hindi ko na to ma-recommend eh. Okay, kanina may nag-recommend ng Kiwi or ipasilip tong Kiwi. So, I'm not playing the heist. Actually, I'm playing the heist pero passive lang. Hindi ako katulad ng mga usual na halimbawa play to earn. Ako kasi gusto ko yung deposit and gusto kong nag-earn siya. Stake and then mag-earn lang ganun. Kahit na maliit yung kanyang kita. As opposed to people who are actively playing. But wala na kasi akong oras guys to play all these games. Alright? Sa akin gusto ko naka-diversify ako doon. Bakit? Paano kung yung game na pinasok mo is going to be the next Axie? Alright? Pag nahuli nyo yun, and then biglang umabot dun sa mga key levels, let's say umabot ng 160 si Axie, di ba? And then meron kayong, let's say, 1,000 shares doon. Eh di, ang laki ng kita nyo. Right? So make sure na lagyan nyo halos lahat yan. Lagyan nyo tigwa $100, tapos tingnan nyo lang kung anong mangyari. Alright? So, for Kiwi, naka-stake to earn lang ako. Lalabas yung game nila actually today. And then, the usual galaw niyan is after, 2 to 3 days, mag-upgrade yung mga tao. They use the token for upgrades. Doon ako usually umi-exit. Yan. Tapos, consolidate, pahala na sila. Next is wealth. So, wealth, kaka-breakout niya lang dito. We have that very, very fresh lang dito na token. And so, here's the breakout. We're looking at this one. Pagka nag-break yan, then to the mundo. So, that's wealth as well that I'm looking. Crown. Si Crown, guys, matagal ko na itong nire-ray ko. Napagod na ako. So, sabi ko, bahala na kayo guys kung bibili kayo. Hindi. Nag-take profits na ako ng konti and then I'm just letting the rest run for Crown. This is Gamblefy. Maraming tao sa crypto, di ba? Ang lakas mag-gamble. Here in the Philippines, ang lakas din mag-gamble ng mga tao. So, this, to me, yung mga, just get exposure into Gamblefy. I'm not saying na invest kayo ng, life savings or something, but get diversified into these Gamblefy projects. Bili kayo ng token nila, bili kayo ng NFT nila, especially kung may rev share sila. Because it's one of the, hindi naman sure bets, but sobrang lakas kasi ng cash flow nila eh. And these are the tokens that you want to be investing in kasi meron talaga silang, kumbaga, continuous yung generation ng kanilang profit or revenue. Hindi siya katulad ng mga meme tokens na usually hype lang and then speculation. Unless biglang, nagkaroon kami ng utility, then saka nagkakaroon ng magandang takbo, right? But for Gamblefy, pasok kayo ito, Crown. And speaking about Gamblefy, SCS as well. So SCS, this one is another one. So kung na-miss nyo yung roll bit, SCS is yung alternative. And right now, it's in accumulation mode. Accumulate. Nakita nyo yung meme na yun, guys. It's either you're in accumulate and then pump, accumulate and pump. So for me, I'm quite heavy. So ano lang to, disclosure lang. Sobrang heavy ako dito sa SCS. And I'm invested dun sa NFT yung Sol Casino, and it's yielding me magkano ba per day? 1,644 yan. So pag meron kayong NFT tapos nag-stake kayo ng 90k SCS, you get around $8 per day. That's passive yield. I have around 60 na yata yung minamanage ko eh. 60 bears. Basket. Naku, inubos ko yung buong list ko, guys. Basket is, guys, check niyo yung accounts niyo. If you stake 5, if meron kayong jupe sa wallets niyo, and bonk, if you participated dun sa kanilang dragon, then you would be eligible to get an airdrop for basket. So, naka-vest yan ng mga 30 days, I think. And then afterwards, fully allocated na yan. This is another token that I want to be having you watch. This is not a meme token. Basically, it's kind of like an ETF for a lot of coins in different networks. So, yeah, this is pretty steady. Kung bull market, then magiging bull market din yung takbo nito. Next is Mautai. Dami na. Mautai. Kaka-ETH lang nito eh. Ayan oh, kaka-ETH niya lang. So, to me, mga ganitong kaka-ETH lang, buy on dips. Ayan. So, I think I covered all, every shitcoin that's out there. Sana okay pa kayo. I'm just gonna watch your check the comments out, and then afterwards, yung mga chart request niyo pag may mga hindi pa ako na-cover. Jupe when LP 9999, thoughts mo dito? I'm invested. That's it. That's all I can say. What can you say about Jupe? I've covered Jupe already. To me, it's, again, you can just replay na lang kung anong sinabi ko regarding this one, UG. Warren, ano po advice nyo sa mga miners at mga naghihintay sa mga free airdrop pero wala masyadong kaalaman sa pag-trade? Wala akong masabi or wala akong ma-advise regarding miners because this is not something na I am invested or wala akong alam dito. When it comes to trading, yan, pwede mo pa akong tanungin. Pero I would say if you're a miner, you want to learn how to trade, there's still time. It's a very forgiving market, so it's okay. Any estimated time or date? Jomar, hindi ko masabi. I wish I knew. To me, nakatingin lang ako sa charts. Pagka nakita ko na, sell signal na, tapos na yung bull market, then saka ako mamoroblema. Right now kasi pagbibigyan kita ng timeline para akong huhula, di ba? Hindi tayo manghula guys dito. Hindi tayo manghula. We're just really checking out ano ba yung mga probabilities and then act according to what is played na card sa atin. Ganun lang. Hindi tayo yung parang, by this date, ito yung mangyari, masa-stress ka lang. Hindi tayo ganun. Thank you so much, Avi. Thank you for being consistent. Yes. Diba guys, kung gusto yung maging successful sa anything that you do, be consistent. Yan, team consistent. Damp yung MMU 10 to 20 lang nanonood. Dati, di ba? Yeah, dati, bear market 10 to 20 lang nanonood. Yan, yung 10 to 20 na yun, kung nag-take action, lahat yun mayaman na. Or relatively mayaman na. Yan pala. Bossy, do you still hold play Mobox and Colonize Mars? For Colonize Mars, yes, I do. For Mobox, hindi na. I'm just passive. Pero passive staker ako sa dalawa. So, basically, ito yung mga gusto kong games. Yung hinahayaan ko lang, nakastake lang sila doon, and then I'm earning. Ganyan yung gusto kong games. Date range, Boss Z, kung kailan matatapos bulan. Okay, sinabi ko na to. 61. Okay, congratulations everyone. Gaming like AXS. Ang problema, wala pang 100 MA. Yes. Okay. Pepe. Okay, sige. Ito, cover na natin, guys. So, yung mga chart request niyo, send nyo na. Let's cover it. So, si Pepe Coin. For Pepe Coin, again, yung mga ganitong breakouts, tas all-time high, hawakan nyo lang, guys. Hawakan nyo lang. Kasi hindi nyo alam kung saan pwedeng, mag-land. Pero pag mga ganito, kung nakalagay siya sa exchange, benta kayo ng konti. Alright? Pangpatanggal lang ng kaba. Kasi alam ko marami sa inyo yung parang kinakabahan habang umaakit yung price. Kinakabahan kayo or some people, they report na susuka, natatae, grabe no. Pero may mga ganyan guys na parang hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin. Hindi probably sanay na ganun kalaki yung pera. Ang pinaka-request ko sa inyo guys, pagka nafe-fail nyo ng ganyan, ibig sabihin nito is hindi kayo equipped. Hindi nyo alam, hindi kayo trained, hindi nyo pa na-encounter yung ganitong feeling or na-reach yung psychological threshold niyo when it comes to handling that amount of money or that amount of gains. Okay, give you an example. Nararamdaman nyo ba na halimbawa pagka nag 20%, 30% yung isang crypto, gusto niyo na magbenta? If yes yung sagot niyo dyan, ibig sabihin niyo nun, baka nasanay kayo na bear market yung mindset ninyo. Ay, teka lang. Hindi pala ako nakashare sa sa Pepe Coin ng mga ayos. Ayan, Pepe Coin is here. So, yan. Breakout and then ito na yung price niya. sorry. So, again guys, pag hindi kasi kayo equipped or pag nasanay kayo sa certain mindset na bear market, 20%, masaya na ako, tapos binenta nyo na, ibig sabihin nun, hindi nyo pa nasa-switch yung brain niyo na, hey guys, bull market na. In bull market, hindi ganun eh. Sa bull market, dapat hindi ka makontento na double yung gains ninyo. Dapat, let's say, times 3, times 4, times 5, especially kung naka-leverage kayo. Dapat ganun yung mindset ninyo, guys. Alright? Bull market, iba yung gains dito sa crypto. Right? Hindi to PSE, hindi to bear market. in the bull market, you need to make sure na naka-equip kayo. Kasi pag nasanay kayo dun sa dating mindset, hindi kayo, like, kayo lang yung mafo-FOMO, you're just gonna kick yourself na bakit nyo binenta ng maaga. Alright? So, learn how to do these things. Ayan. So, speaking of learning pala, baka mamaya kasi, like, matapos na ako dito, hindi ko na nagagawa yung task ko. We're gonna be offering our Wealth Builder Access Pass. So, ito yung, if you wanna learn, so this is paid. This is a bundle. So, we bundle it with Technical Intensive and Crypto Masterclass. So, basically, what you're gonna be learning, i-share ko na lang to. So, this is Season 2. Yung Season 1 natin, that was last year, December, we sold it for 39K. Alright, this is worth 79K, and then we sold it at 39K. We're having another pre-sale, but it's going to be 55K. Yeah, it's 55K. So, andito na lahat ng details. I'm just gonna be sharing the comment in the comments na lang. Yan. So, naka-share na yung link. And then, I'm gonna make a post about it. Don't worry if you guys miss. So, meron dyan, Wealth Builder Access. And then, if gusto nyo na forever kayo with us, then meron din kaming promo na pre-order for TR Forever subscription. Basically, this is kind of like, meron kasi tayong TR subscription. Basically, that's the aftercare service ng ZFT. So, mga alpha discussions, so weekly discussions, just to get you to your level of mastery. Kasi we don't believe na you take a course for, let's say, a month or 3 months or 6 months and then master na kayo. Hindi ganun nag-work yung trading. Usually it takes years. And my suggestion is really invest into this, especially kung naglagay kayo ng more than 100K in your crypto wallets or in your crypto investments. If you reach a level na 100K, guys, mag-invest na kayo sa proper education. Bakit? Huwag niyong tipirin yung sarili niyo because baka mamaya kayo yung mga stories na ni-round trip niyo yung mga gains niyo. Nangyayari yan year in, year out. Ni-round trip nila yung mga gains nila because hindi nila alam kung paano i-handle, paano mag-take profit, paano mag-set ng stop loss. And so when the bear happens, usually ganito yung nangyayari bull market, papasok yung mga tao. Ang daming kinita, million. Alright? And then, hindi nila alam kung paano mag-take profit. So, hindi nila alam bear market na. Tapos, hindi nila alam kung paano mag-exit and then stay out of the market. So, what happens is, yung gains nila, wala, pabagsak. Tapos, yung iba, hindi nag-withdraw. Swerte kung nag-withdraw ka. May mga tao gano'n na smart eh. Okay, hindi ko alam to. So, withdraw na ako or cash out. For most people, hindi nila na-realize na they were just lucky. Kasi bull market eh. Especially yung kakapasok pa lang. Yung mga nakasakay ng bear market, nakasakay ng bull market tas nag-bear, I would say mas swerte kayo or yung mga born in the bear market. Kasi mas nakita nyo yung reality at saka yung mga risks when it comes to these things. And so, yeah, we're offering this promo. It's gonna start, actually, this in-open na namin siya sa community namin. Just giving you a heads up. And by next month, today is April no? March. Magsa-start na siya April. So after that, by April, we're gonna be starting the TI and then the Crypto Masterclass. So again, nakabundle siya. You're gonna learn technicals. You're gonna learn how to invest into crypto. So again, trading, investing, cover namin yan lahat. And then there's also the subscription in our aftercare service, which is TR. So consider it as an investment. Kasi guys, again, you don't want to be that person na hindi mo alam kung anong ginagawa mo especially in this kind of market. So, yan. Ano pa ba? Check ko na lang. Wait, balik tayo sa charts natin. Meron pa ba akong announcements? Saglit. Okay. Meron pang isa. Check ko lang one time. Okay, so heads up lang din kasi alam ko marami, especially for people who are based in Metro Manila or nearby areas. So, I'm gonna comment this. April 6, it's gonna be 1 p.m. onwards. There's going to be it's going to be in Coins PH na headquarters. So they're going to be our sponsors regarding this one. Basically, we have a seminar. So again, this is face-to-face. This is not live. It's mastering airdrops na lesson or na webinar. Okay, so I'm just gonna share this as well to you guys. So again, last plug na to guys. Alright, so that's basically the type form. There's only 20 slots at the moment. So kung makakapunta kayo dito and if you think that this is going to be something na you're interested in, if gusto yung matuto mag-airdrop, then go for it. There's only 20 slots. Automatically magsasara yung form pagka na-hit yung 20 slots na yun. Pag hindi kayo interested when it comes to airdrops, huwag nyo na lang gawin, guys. Alright? Give chance to people na talagang interested dito sa topic na to. So it's only 3,000 pesos and the event will take place April 6, Coins PH BGC. So ayun lang. We're gonna be seeing what we can do. So basically, ibabundle namin siya with another topic. But the main topic there is airdrop farming kasi maraming nag-request. So yung 3K na yan, basically yan, matututo kayo how that's the fee. You still need money for farming airdrops. The way we do airdrops is kailangan mo ng pera to farm these airdrops. Kasi usually kung free money, hindi ganun kalaki yung airdrops. Gusto mo ng malaking airdrop, then either you work hard for it. So free nga siya pero time and effort, magdidilig kayo ng, para kayo nagdidilig ng tanim, And then when the time comes na mag-airdrop siya, hopefully, cross fingers, malaki yung magiging value niya. Most of the time, you need to have big money or let's say 50K, ganyan, para masulit ninyo yung farming. So pagka nagawa niyo yun, tas multiple wallets kayo, tas ang laki ng airdrop, di ba? At least sobrang sulit. So, ganun lang. Alright. So, balik tayo sa chart natin. Boss Z, thank you. Dati puro spot at futures trading ako. I was able to diversify and expand my knowledge on crypto, mainly because of you and CFT. Now reaping the benefits. Thank you, and LFG. Wow. Great to see these comments, actually. So, yeah, actually, sobrang I appreciate people who listen to what we say. Kasi sometimes feeling namin, may nakikinig ba? Do we still do this? And then, ayun. Anyways, let's go sa mga tanong ninyo. Okay, Pepe Coin done. Super. Kay Kevin Zulueta. Super, alam ko, okay din to. Super team ba? Yeah. For super, ito na yung next target mo, 1.96. Kasi kaka-break out niya lang dito. Trending ng very strong. So, yeah, just hodl for this one. Trend follow ka lang. Worst case scenario nito is mababa somewhere here. 0.56. I don't think abot na yan ng dyan level na yan. Alright, DCR. Okay, kanina pa to Sige, let's cover DCR. For decred, paano pa sabihin yan? We need to see that breakout over here. Yung 28 levels na yan. Pagka nag-breakout sa 28, then goods tayo. Pero, on the aggressive side of things, nag-breakout na siya dito sa 22. So, solid. All our MAs are below. So, that's pretty bullish as well. So, that's for decred. 28 yung levels, no? Na kailangan i-break. Yeah. Next, we have, how about AdBoss Z? Pero trading plan ko kasi hold lang as is. Tempting lang to add. Okay. Brian, pag mga ganito, na nasa next level tayo ng phase ng market, trend following galore to To me, add ka lang pagka may dip. To me, this is really a market for adding. This is not a time to aggressively take profit. Siguro mag-take profit kayo konti lang, tapos rotate nyo sa mga hindi pa lumilipad. Ganun. That's how you play this market. Jasmine. Kanina pa kayo sa Jasmine Okay, so Jasmine. Okay, masyado malaki yung kanyang next target. So next targets mo is around 0.45 and 0.58. Let's just go to the weekly para mas mabilis nating tingnan. Okay, so ating support is over here. Medyo malalim to, guys. So supports mo is itong levels na to. Daily tayo. Ayan. Ito yung mga supports mo. Let's say worst case scenario is itong level na to. Pero so far, I would say medyo overheat na to Pero who knows, no? Pwede pong umakyat yan Alright. So that's for Jasmine. Kakabenta ko lang ng bonk at Doge ko. Why? Why did you sell? Okay, sige lang, okay na. Mukhang kailangan ko na mag-open ng fund management for my employees and my partners. para mag-focus tayo sa ZFT work tapos ko na bahala dyan sa pagpapatubo ng ating capital. Congrats, boss. Thank you so much. Guac and Gecko. Si Guac hindi ko na-cover, si Gecko na-cover ko na. Teka, sige. Pagbigyan natin si Guac. Guac or guacamole. Yan. Share tab. For guacamole, good din siya actually. Isa din to sa mga outliers Although, hindi ko alam kung may bala pa to. Like, ano pa yung gagawin nila. But basically, it's in a sideways. This is to me an accumulation zone. When that breaks out, yung 41 levels na yan, then all-time high yung targets natin dito for this one. So Guacamole is actually also in my holdings or my holdings. Okay, ano pa ba? Okay pa kayo guys? Hindi pa ako nagsasalita. Solid. Yung Wirex sir, okay din alternative sa card. Mas madali makakuha ng card. I haven't heard of Wirex, so I'm not sure. But I'm using CRO at the moment. And medyo heavy na ako. Teka, speaking of CRO, let's see. CRO! Yes, let's go! CRO. So, ginagawa ko guys, I made a reel about this. You can check out my previous reels. May mga affiliate links din doon. But basically, CRO is if you want to cash out your crypto, dito kayo mag-cash out. Basically, you convert your crypto into USD, SGD, whatever it is na gusto mo. And then afterwards, yun yung gamitin mo na credit card. You get a 1 to 2% cashback. So, pag nagbenta kayo ng, let's say, bumili kayo, nag-shopping kayo, 100k worth, right? Makakakuha kayo ng 1% na cashback in CRO tokens. So yun, saya. Shopping ka nung bear market and then bili kayo ng maraming CRO. Cashback niya yung CRO. Ngayon, laki na ng inakyat, di ba? And then may staking rewards ka pa. Solid. So, yeah. Anyway, sobrang tindi na ng shield ko. Dapat nila akong bayaran. Parehas tayo ng tao sa Bonk Boss Z. Okay. Ang saya ko sa Bonk eh. Sobrang solid ng entry ko dyan. John Percy, paano malalaman na mag-end ang bull market? Basically, the short answer is yung 100 MA is magpa-flip sa price. So if hindi mo pa na-gets yun, just try to invest into our courses para malaman mo. But sir, it's super simple. Hindi mo kailangan ng magbayad ng million para lang malaman kung paano mag-end yung bull market. If it's pero yung kasi ano ba? Maraming ways to know. Maraming signs. So, 'di ba parang seasons lang 'yan eh. There's a season, there's a season to harvest. There's a season to hodl. Right now we're in a season to hodl. Right? Medyo naiwan si Sol Boss Z. Actually, hindi naman naiwan si Sol. Kasi kung i-compare mo si Sol sa iba't ibang tokens, laki na ng inakyat ni Sol. When and GP. Okay, si GP cover natin kasi hindi natin na-cover si GP. Actually, kahit hindi na. To me, wait for 0.3. Pag nabasag yung 0.3 sa GP, lipad tayo. Thoughts on holding shitcoins like Doge sa futures with low leverage? Yes. To me, yes to. This is a yes. Okay. Hindi ko na-cover. Your thoughts on Kiwi? Already covered Kiwi. Jasmine already covered. Shib covered as well. Basket, Kiwi, Makjup. Si Makjup hindi ko trip. So I'm not gonna cover it. But technically speaking, breakout na siya. So if you're wanting to get into Makjup, go. But I would rather focus on when than Makjup. Okay. Jasmine, Boss D, shitcoin ba? Na-cover na natin si Jasmine. Okay ba BingX na platform? I don't use BingX. Popcat. Actually, Popcat is a good one. Hindi ko lang siya na-cover kasi wala ako. Flocky. Okay, Flocky will cover Flocky. Okay pa ba kayo guys? So si Flocky para lang din siyang SHIB at saka Doge eh. So, hodl lang. Kasi ito yung mga magagandang tokens. Again, guys, hindi niyo alam baka mamaya mag 1000x yan or mag 500x. So, make sure, 50 to 1000x, hindi mo alam. So, make sure lang na well-diversified kayo sa mga tokens na to. Pagka feeling nyo na, okay, it's time to, take profits din kayo. Okay, Portal. So, for Portal, Portal kakasimula pa lang eh. So, wala pa talaga tayong masasabi. Pag nag-break yung 2.47, teka lang. Gawin lang natin 4 hour para mas accurate. Ayan. So, dito yung levels na to watch. 2.59, 2.6. Pag nag-break yan, medyo magiging maganda yung takbo natin. Oo nga pala. Teka, baka hindi pa naman ako tinatawag ng asawa. So, okay lang. Let's stretch it a little bit more and then end na tayo. Goods pa rin mag-accumulate na sa mga altcoins. Yes, to me, yes. Pag nag-dip, yes. Boss D, nag-pre-order ka ba ng Sol Mobile? Yes, I already pre-ordered. Any thoughts on token? I don't have any token. So, nanonood ako Thursday pa dati. Yeah, may time na nag-Thursday nga tayo. Okay, Ron. Sige, Ron. Cover Ron. Ron actually sideways pa eh. So, ito yung current niya na sideways trend. Currently, wait na lang siguro mag-break yung 3.48 or pag nag-dip ng 2.36. At the moment, nasa gitna pa siya eh. So, better just avoid until further breakouts or breakdowns happen. Sui. Okay, Sui. Sui, kaka-breakdown lang. Ito, kaka-breakdown sa short term. So, we want to have a retake dito sa 1.71, then silipin natin ulit. Retake at saka break dito sa 1.7, 1.9. Pag nag-break yan sa mga levels na yan, then it's good. Right now kasi mukhang pa-breakdown or naghanap ng support. Ito yung current support niya, 1.38. Okay. Okay. One of the hard lesson learned. Nasanay sa bear market, more on shorting niche. Blew my account, reset for weeks, almost a month. Pero pagbalik na sa neutral state, may na-okay no positions ko na. Yes, it's really something that pagka bear market, dapat naging back kayo dyan eh. Naka-investor mode kayo, tapos meron kayong shorting positions. Pagka nag-switch na, you know, that's the hard part. How to know if you need to switch. So that's the topics that we teach in DFT. 5. Okay, 5. Grabe, bull market na guys. Hanggang ngayon, I'm still working. 0.73. So, 0.73 is what you need to break before we see another run. At the moment kasi, wala pa eh. 100 MA kakalabas lang din. Worst case scenario, 0.52. Next. Meron pa ba? Bozzy, thank you dati. Puro spot. Ito na cover na natin. Huwag na po manghinayang sa 55K. Masasayang po yung... Actually, guys, yung joke namin dito, if hindi kayo, like, if you're not gonna spend your tuition with us, you're gonna spend your tuition in the markets. Ang daming dumarating sa amin na tapos na. May airdrop din po galing sa inyo, Boss Z. I'm not sure kung ano itong question na to. I'm not sure, John, how to answer this. Lumen Power, mukhang masaya si Oyo. Ave. Okay, Ave is still in a sideways trend. 118. So this is what you want to be breaking, and then goods ka with Ave. Boss Z, do prices go down if nag-unlock sila ng mga coins sila? It depends. Sometimes nag-unlock, sinasabay nila yung mga ganitong events with, let's say, a catalyst para kahit na nag-unlock yung token, bullish yung mga tao. I hope my online version ng mastering airdrop po si. Sige, we'll try actually, Juke, if you want yung online version, it's really the crypto masterclass. So again, you avail of that 55K na bundle if you want. So magpo-post ako doon, guys, Okay, I'll just post it again baka mamaya kasi na-miss out ninyo. So here's the link to the course, the wealth builder natin. Boss, ano advice mo for the NFT? Anong NFT to? I'm not sure kung anong tinutukoy mo. But my advice to people, especially if you're heading into NFTs, hodl nyo yung mga solid na mga na NFTs because at some point, magro-rotate yung funds dyan. And you don't want na maiwan kayo or binenta ninyo tapos biglang lumipad kasi nag-rotation na sa NFTs. It's gonna have its day in the sun. Sell na po kayo bago ma-wipe out. Okay, I think ikaw si okay po. Yes, I'm still okay. Happy. Jupiterians for long term. Yes, Camilo, let's go. I'm one of you referred from Crop before bull market. Yes, GL. How does it work for you? Di ba solid? Sobrang convenient ng CRO kaya. Bossing portal. Sige, marami na kayong nagsasabi ng portal. Let's cover portal. Portal kinover na natin eh. Sige. Medyo mabagal lang. Sol Casino, boss. Sol Casino, I would still say this is really a buy. Parcel Season 3, if you are wanting to focus here, go farm it. But capital intensive to si Parcel eh. Pagbenta, boss, din ng flow, pinag-toggle. Usually, ganun talaga. So, guys, ang mare-recommend ko talaga sa inyo, meron dapat kayong investments Tapos meron kayo pang trading. Yung pang trading, yun yung ibenta ninyo. Yung investments, hold lang hanggang sa matapos yung bull market. Ganun dapat. Thoughts on AI coins, it's still gonna be hot and it will be part of a cycle. So, invest, just diversify. Haring Gangis, anong gamit mo na platform? I use multiple platforms. I made a post about this. Check mo na lang yung profile ko to see. Your say on say, I've already covered this, Rusty. Backlit na lang. Ano diet mo, boss? Mukhang malaki demand day-to-day focus mo. Naging maganda yung diet ko after I met my wife. Dito siya ngayon eh. Okay, but since bear market nanonood ako, never ako nag-skip ng mga MMU hanggang ngayon. Yun. Actually, for yung sobrang hack dito, guys, for people who are just discovering MMU, try to backread yung mga dating MMU or watch. Marami kasi gusto lang is yung yung mga latest. Pero ang dami kayang mga alpha or I'm teaching people all the time. And the reason why I do this is so that yung mindset ninyo maging halos same ng mindset ko when it comes to these things. So basically, it's kind of like free mentorship. If you can't really afford our courses, then just focus on MMUs. That's the free alpha that I'm giving. But if you have, let's say, gusto niyo akong sabayan with my investments and then gusto niyo, just enroll, guys. Huwag niyong baratin yung sarili ninyo. Bozzy, are you doing INJ or ETH airdrops? No, Gabriel, no. I'm just focusing on Solana. I know I'm gonna be missing out on a lot with other chains, but to me kasi gusto ko maging specialist dyan. Yung mga nagda-diversify into other chains, hinahayaan ko sila. So, in TR, meron kaming kinda like community. So, kung sino yung magaling doon sa isang sa chain na yun, sige, like, they can take care of that. Leverage lang talaga. Solid staking rewards sa first week ng Jupe staking, yes. Okay, guys. Dead NFT. Kung kaya mong, kung afford mo, go ahead. Go for the dead NFT for sure. And then dead, kaka-breakout niya lang. Hindi ko na i-show yung chart, but kaka-breakout niya lang. Also, wanting to get in that. So, MMU since Feb 2023. Uy! Matagal na rin pala. So, solid. Naalala ko yung time na sinabi mo, boss, na bonk will be massive, tas lagay lang sa Orca. Yes. Diba, guys? Kinig lang. May alpha na kayo. Anyways, that's it. We've covered most of it, and we've come to the end of our, I would say, the show. Tama ba? And so, yeah, guys. Hopefully, marami kayo natutunan. Gusto ko ipakita sa inyo sana itong itong sa Sol Casino ko. This one, ayan nag 2,000 USD na. Sorry. Next time na lang i-cover ko to. Pero usually kasi kina-cover ko to and I'm explaining it to my previous videos. So I really recommend na dito kayo mag-focus. Why? Because you can use 4 tokens as your trading asset. Hindi lang USDC. Usually kasi pag nasa exchanges kayo, ginagamit niyo is USDC. Pero I suggest na pumunta kayo sa mga platforms na pwede kayong mag-trade gamit yung mga core tokens like BTC, ETH, BNB, Solana. Why? You can check previous MMUs and even mga previous reels. Why? Alright? So, yan. Mukhang kailangan na. Mamayang 12 magsistake na naman ako. But yes, guys, look into these things. Look into or if hindi nyo kaya yung wealth builder, just get yourself inside our community in TR because dun pa lang ang dami na ng learnings, ang dami na ng mga like if you have the right community that's with you in this trading journey, less yung magiging chances niyo na number 1 mabiktima ng mga scams because you can verify. Less din yung mga chances niyo na if you get liquidated or what, you get the best practices here. Risk management, mindset, and then may mahanap kayo ng mga tao na you can trust. So I suggest get into these things because this bull market at some point it's gonna end. So at least alam ninyo kung paano kayo magde-discarded sa market na to. Alright? So I think that's it, guys. Sorry, nagmo-monitor lang ako ng Nagmo-monitor lang ako ng mga positions din. Kasi itong si Say kanina, ayan mukhang lumipad na. Alright. Chill. Mamaya kayo yung mga bumili nito So, yes, thank you. Enjoy your vacation. Yes, thank you so much, Avi. Thank you, Bri. Thank you, Rex. Next time na yung mga ano natin yung mga mga request next time ulit. Salamat sa insights, more wins. Yes, more wins to all of us. Salamat, Boss Z, na cover token ko. Ano ba yung cover mo? Sige, let's cover this one last time. And then goods na tayo. Shakili. So, yung nanalo sa sa pag-share, I think our team is going to announce that. Hindi ako yung in charge dun eh. Okay. So, check yung top 5 altcoins. Actually, we've covered that sa previous MMU. We covered actually hindi lang siya 5 marami siya. It's a list. So, kung sinunod mo yon, sobrang laki na nakita mo. But that was that was sa previous MMU. Teka, chat. Sige, chat. Yan yung last natin na token for tonight. Chat. Ito ba? Di chat. Chat USDT. Parang wala yata nakalabas. Chat USDT. Okay, mukhang bagong token to. I'm not sure. But yeah, mukhang hindi ito yung yung token mo, sir. Okay. But anyways, hindi maganda yung chart or ito yung chart niya. Pag nag-break yan, 2.36, then you're doing good. Ngayon mukhang dyan na siya papunta. So, pretty cool. Anyways, that's it, guys. Enjoy the rest of your week. Hopefully, lahat kayo kumita, and enjoy the bull market. Just sit tight and relax kung kaya nyo. Hodl as long as you can. If you have trades and medyo hindi nyo na kaya, take a little bit of profits. A little bit lang, wag lahat. Alright? That's it. Thank you very much and have a nice weekend, everyone. See you on the next Monday market updates.
That is The Boardwalk, a 43-second video by Canadian-born artist who goes by the name of Mad Dog Jones. And this digital work was sold for $388,000. Meet Zoe Ross. It was on one Saturday morning in 2005 when Zoe and her family went to look at a house on fire in their neighborhood. Zoe was watching the flames engulf the house when her father asked her to smile. Zoe flashed a smirk as the fire roared behind her. Hence, the disaster girl was born. And on April 2021, the Roths sold the original copy of these meme for 180 Ethereum, equivalent to $502,691 as of June 5, 2021. And this is the Nyan Cat, an iconic GIF of part cat, part Pop-Tart. Nyan Cat was sold on an online auction for 300 Ethereum, equivalent to $600,000 when it was sold. If you think that the prices are already crazy, things will get crazier as we share the top most expensive NFTs. This is the Everyday, the first 5,000 days, a digital collage that was sold for $69 million. CryptoPunk, 3,100, $7.58 million. CryptoPunk, 7804, $7.57 million. Crossroads, $6.6 million. You might wonder, how could these assets be owned when it is all around the internet? It is because they were sold as an NFT. On May 18, 2021, Merriam-Webster, the dictionary, finally recognized and defined the NFT, or non-fungible token, as a unique digital identifier that cannot be copied, substituted, or subdivided, that is recorded in a blockchain, and that is used to certify authenticity and ownership as of a specific digital asset and specific rights relating to it. Back in 2018, the overall market for NFTs was around $41 million. However, when the pandemic started in 2020, the overall market for NFTs ballooned to over $338 million, according to the data collected from nonfungible.com. But are these NFTs actually worth the value assigned to them, especially if all it takes to view them is an internet connection? To have a better understanding of just how these new tokens work, one must understand the word fungibility. In layman's terms, it is the ability to exchange or substitute an asset with a similar asset of the same value. The most common example of fungible assets is currency. Assume that you have 5 $1 bills in your wallet, but you don't want to be carrying so much change. You're able to exchange those 5 $1 bills into a single $5 bill. Thus, the value is still the same, but in a different format. Non-fungible assets are quite the opposite. Each one is unique and cannot be exchanged or substituted. Just like the famous Mona Lisa painting, it cannot be exchanged for a poster of the Mona Lisa from a gift shop because the value is completely different. The idea behind an NFT is that you'd have this digital signature, just like a great piece of art that might have the signature of the artist. It's as if you're going to the original work and verifying that this is real and authentic. The NFT gets this unique signature set through the blockchain is where all the information is recorded. Basically, NFTs are essentially a form of cryptocurrency. However, unlike fungible cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Litecoin, NFTs are unique. The information contained within the code of the NFT is essential information, such as who owns the NFT, when it was sold, and who the previous owner of the asset is. In addition, the layer of encryption ensures the NFT's authenticity as well as scarcity. However, there are a lot of skeptics that are saying that this new token is only something being hyped up. They're also raising concerns about the ability to scam these kinds of tokens. It would be very difficult for someone to go ahead and verify whether the person selling this NFT is the creator of said NFT. But don't fret, here at NFT University and TRE Games, we will dig deep on the crazy and will share opportunities which focuses on the assets from online games and collectibles. Join us in our upcoming series of webinars. Dates to be announced. See you then!